Hi, I'm 𝗀𝗍. This is my 24 by 25 carport that was just installed. My first impression watching these guys build this building, they were really professional. They did a really good job quality-wise. Quality of this carport is very good quality. It's 12 gauge material. I live south of Houston and we get hurricane weather, a lot of wind. I got this carport because it stays so hot here, and I have an RV, I park under it. It gets so hot from the sun bearing down on it. These things here really help you to save and restore your RV. I shopped online at different other companies, but Allen had the best deal, best quality that I've seen online. On Allen's, you go online and you can pretty much pick out what style you want. Yeah, the service department was handled things really well. Yeah, they were real prompt about letting me know when the order would be on site, when the guys would be on site. I would recommend Allen to a friend or a family. I don't know if you can see behind me, that's my well shed. They did that one. They really have done a good job so far. Thanks for visiting my carport.